Nutrition and Energy, we serve full meal replacement shakes. They have 21 vitamins and minerals in them. We have full loaded energizing teas. They are thermogenic. They're full of B vitamins, antioxidants. When you come into Crush, we have lots of positive vibes. We make you feel really welcomed. And then also we have anywhere from skincare line to shampoos. So we have everything for everybody. We have soy, gluten-free options. And the reason why I started Crush is because back home I went to a local nutrition club all the time and I thrived off of it. We like to support our local community and all their businesses, and we also like to do fundraisers for people in need. So yeah, that's why I started.
1, 2, 3.